Let's venture into the world of understanding glass as a material and its significance in our daily lives. The function of a glass as a fundamental component in residential, architectural, and construction structures is immense. Our daily lives and activities heavily involve the use of this material in various ways. Glass is an indispensable component of our daily routine, offering a wide range of practical and visual advantages. The adaptability of glass is truly remarkable given its wide range of applications in various industries, as well as in everyday life. Glass exhibits remarkable versatility, with numerous applications across various fields. Let's further delve into the various types of glass and the examples associated with each. Windows and glass doors use something called float glass to exhibit a lot of strength and sustainability for long usage. Tempered glass is usually used in shower doors and car windows as it provides better strength, durability, and safety. With laminated glass, as such glasses are created with extreme heat and high pressure. Therefore, it increases the safety of people during vehicle accidents or for intruders to break into for security reasons. Low-E glass can help to reduce the amount of ultraviolet rays that enter our homes. Therefore, our furniture, flooring, and other interior finishes are saved from fading and discoloring. Though usage of glass is very important and not avoidable in our day-to-day activities, it's important to follow extreme precautionary measures while manufacturing, in physical activities, child care, or our surroundings. Childproofing with appropriate guards on is very important at homes or daycare centers. Keeping rounded edges and use of tempered glass is one of the efficient ways of being safe. Usage of gloves while working with various glass, especially for construction workers, is a must for physical safety. The surface of glass is always a must clean to keep it germ-free and dust-free. While doing so, it's important to use mild and applicable cleansing materials to avoid any damage or scratches. When in doubt or emergency, always seek professional help from appropriate authorities or service centers. To summarize, glass serves an essential function in our daily lives. Our safety, well-being, and the visual appeal of our surroundings is majorly influenced by its usage. It is a major contributor to the enhancement of our living space's elegance. For more interesting content, please visit our channel and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.